Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Estate Properties. My office is Malaga Cove right up the street. I'm in Lower Malaga Cove on a street called Via Almar, 417. So you have the original school of Palos Verdes Estates right there, built in 1925. And then you have a great parking lot as a trail that goes down to what's called Rat Beach. It's a great area. Lower Malaga Cove, highly desirable because it's easy to get off the hill. You just go right up the street and you're at the circle and the Malaga Cove Plaza, and there's shops and things. So super cute, historic Spanish with a really good view. Really super nice. You got the tile roof, you got the Spanish pavers here, this patio, pretty sweet. And then looks like you have direct access to the garage here. Nice big garage, 2-car, and then an extra room here for whatever, a shop, workout area. You can do what you want. And then you have direct access inside. That's cool. Yeah, really cute. Great area. So stepping on in, we got the parquet oak here. You have your living room here. Nice big room here. Wow. So this is where it's at. I mean, it's low tide, so it looks, and then you have a whole beach there wrapping all the way around, all the way to Malibu. We got the glassy, gorgeous day today. And you have yard on this property, which is unique. Some of the time there was it's the next one over has an alley, so there's no alley in between these homes. Super killer, big patio, you got the awning. Oh, this is gorgeous. So, oak hardwood through here. And it's Corian countertops here. Nice. Pretty. So this is that direct access. The garage and pantry. More pantry. Secondary fridge. And then a half bath here. And this goes to the front door. Or no, it goes to that, yeah. This little room. So you could use this as dining. So hardwood under this, you think? Yeah, you'd think it is. Yeah, it might be the parquet. Oh, I didn't see that, but we'll come back to that. So here's our downstairs little landing. Bedroom. It's on the bath. And this is probably the primary because it's got the big and the tub and the double sink. Obviously needs some updating here. Forced air, looks like it has AC on it. Water heater. Laundry. And 2 other rooms. Good sized room. Oh, we got a little hot tub here. Nice. Some brickwork, some area. Sweet. So top floor has the bath in the back, shower and a tub. So maybe this is a secondary master. This is nice. Wow. This is nice. This is beautiful. What a view. Super nice. Very clean. So top floor with a a fantastic location and a very nice property, and it wouldn't be all that hard to update this to your style and make it work. I mean, what a view. So beautiful. If you'd like more information or you have a private tour, give me a call and set it up. Thanks, make it a great day.